how to set default message timer on 7 days on WhatsApp. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to set a default message timer on 7 days on WhatsApp. First then go to WhatsApp, and here you will find these 3 points in the top corner, and then click settings, and here you will find account. Click on it, and then just click this one here, privacy, and then click this one default message timer. And after you click on it, here you will find it 7 days. Just select it and then go back, it will be saved. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end. And now see you in the next video.